Welcome to 6677 Santa Monica Boulevard, your one-stop destination for student needs in Los Angeles. Depending on your choice of private or shared lavish en-suites and non-en-suites and charming 4-bedroom apartments, you unlock a space to call home with a fully furnished kitchen to whip up deliciousness and a television for some late-night binges. Dive into the sparkling pool for some laps or lounge on the sun deck with cabanas. Enjoy blockbuster films in the indoor screening room or head to the rooftop for some spectacular views. When your rent covers gas, water, electricity, trash, and high-speed Wi-Fi, there are no unexpected bills to stress over. The community-sponsored social events are your source of lifelong friends and unforgettable memories. Ensure your timely arrival to class with Emerson College Los Angeles Center and American Film Institute Conservatory, a short drive away. Plus, with Santa Monica bus stops a couple minutes away, explore the city seamlessly. A world of culinary delights awaits with popular cafes all around. So, grab your spot at 6677 Santa Monica Boulevard, Los Angeles now with amberstudent.com.